Perguruan Tinggi Swasta Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Hukum Sumpah Pemuda, Stipada Palembang, melaksanakan acara International Lecture The Future of the Legal Profession dan mengundang narasumber sebagai pembicaranya, yakni International Lawyer and Founder at Create Consultancy Law Firm Italy, Manuela Fiscardi, yang diikuti oleh para tenaga pengajar dan mahasiswa serta mahasiswi Stipada Palembang, dan kegiatan ini dipusatkan di Stipada Auditorium Room. Senin tanggal 19 Agustus tahun 2024. Dikatakan Manuela Fiscardi dari International Lawyer and Founder at Create Consultancy Law Firm Italy, di mana intinya bahwa diri saya Manuela Fiscardi berterima kasih karena telah diundang ke PTS pada Palembang dan telah dapat memberikan materi tentang International Lecture. Adapun topik yang dibahas dalam kegiatan ini sendiri adalah masa depan profesi hukum sejak adanya kemajuan teknologi. Dengan keberadaan artificial intelligence untuk membantu manusia bukan menggantikan peran manusia, ujarnya. Menurut Ketua Stipada Palembang Dr. Haji Firman Friadi Busroh, SHM HAM CTL CPN, tentunya kita butuh different for you, jadi beberapa countries today may be perspective from the how the international lawyer especially in the Milan Italy, future of the legal profession. Dan juga nanti dalam hal ini kita akan mungkin berdiskusi serta saring bagaimana praktis legal profession from Italy at Indonesia. Mengapa ini sangat penting kita lakukan agar perspektif kita di Indonesia itu hanya melihat next to the law, melihat legal profession di sana, ungkapnya.
Some friendly discussion, friendly meeting here. Jadi kita nggak usah terlalu very much seriously, maybe we as is friendly meeting. Dan topik yang kita angkat adalah suatu hal yang sangat menarik dan banyak terjadi di saat ini, pertimbangan hot issue mengenai bagaimana kita melihat legal profession di masa depan. Jadi saat ini seperti kita ketahui bahwa perkembangan AI dan artificial intelligence menimbulkan banyak persepsi. There's many perception about how we want to make the atmosphere is very warm, friendly. Jadi itu saja. Jadi kita di sini diskusi santai, tidak usah terlalu tegang. Jadi kita bagaimana mungkin Mas Paul akan menerangkan dari perspektif dari Milan, ya, Itali, dan beliau telah lakukan, dan mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya.
Learning French, so I'm going to be talking full English. So yeah, so as for today, I hereby bring everyone here to hereby help this today's public lecture, which is titled "The Future of the Legal Profession," brought by Mr. Firman Friadi, Professor Firman Friadi Busroh, along with our star guest here, Madam Manuela Fiscardi. Yes.
I do as well international, commercial, and labor law. And I think that the future of legal profession is really
Okay, so today I was invited by Stipada University, and it was a pleasure to explain the evolution of the legal profession from an international point of view. I had the occasion to talk with the students from this university that were really smart, and it was a really interesting occasion to compare the different system of justice and the system of law, of course. So I think that here in Indonesia, legal education is becoming more and more important, since the investment and the world is looking at Indonesia, how it's growing and how it's going. And Stipada offers as well a good opportunity to understand better the legal system and be prepared to the future that is coming.
Thank you so much.
Okay, the suggestion, let's say.
Yes.
Okay. I think that from the legal education, the new lawyers, the lawyers that are coming, must be prepared in the field of artificial intelligence, of course, and they have to get to know how to deal with cross-border operations. They have to deal with international and commercial law, and they have to be prepared to the world that is coming, because it will be a challenge, it will be interesting, but it also will be a little bit difficult if you're not prepared to face this kind of challenges. It was an honor, of course, and it was a pleasure. And I really have to thank you because it was so welcoming, so warm, and everybody was nice to me. And even the students were interested, and we talked a lot. I had a lot of questions from them. It was really nice and interesting because, you see the interest from young people, and they are our future. So I'm really happy to be here and to get to know Palembang as well. It's so nice city. Well, Stipada students are really smart, interested in the future, interested in what is becoming more important in law. They made me questions that I think you can write a thesis about, because they were interesting and really focused on artificial intelligence and cross-border operations. And I think they have a future in front of them that they can face with a good attitude. And with this attitude, they can go and move forward more and more.
Ya, hari ini kita menginvite ini Miss Maulina Fiskardi ya, itu untuk mengenalkan dunia praktisi hukum ya, especially Miss Fiskardi ini adalah seorang lawyer yang berbasis dari Italia, dan tentunya kita berharap bahwa dengan adanya experience yang dia berikan kepada mahasiswa Stipada ya, itu bisa menambah wawasan, knowledge, pengetahuan betapa besarnya dunia hukum saat ini gitu. Berikutnya tentunya kita berharap adanya peningkatan kualitas pendidikan dan juga mutu daripada our student. Harapannya sendiri, harapannya dengan kegiatan internasional ini bisa menambah jaringan, dan tentunya kita mendapatkan kehormatan ya, honor. Jadi our distinguished memberikan lecture pada hari ini, dan berharap semoga nanti ke depan Stipada bisa memberikan banyak sekali nanti international lecture ke depannya lagi.
Hubungan kita dengan ini sudah terjalin berapa lama, Kak?
Hubungannya sudah cukup terjalin lama, dan memang ya baru kali ini, the first time ya in Indonesia ya. Ya, this is the first time, dan alhamdulillah dia memilih Palembang untuk memberikan international lecture gitu. Dunia hukum saat ini Indonesia itu cukup menantang ya saat ini, dan banyak sekali hambatan-hambatan, terutama penegakan hukum di Indonesia itu masih banyak problem yang harus kita solve, kita selesaikan. Itulah mengapa kita perlu perspektif dari internasional, sehingga kita bisa menjalin networking di antara berbagai praktisi, berbagai negara, sehingga dengan adanya hubungan internasional lebih luas, itu bisa meningkatkan pengetahuan ya, knowledge bagi our student. Dia memiliki experience ya, especially in international lawyer ya, and he came from Milan. So kita minta perspektif ya, bagaimana how see Indonesia from the Milan, and maybe kita bisa menambahkan suggestion ya, untuk bagaimana kita membangun legal education gitu.
Hukum seperti apa?
Ya, kalau untuk pengetahuan saat ini secara hukum nasional itu sudah cukup baik ya. Hanya saja mungkin ditambah dengan knowledge dan juga experience dari
perspektif dari luar gitu, itu bisa menambah pengetahuan.